What's the connection between NFTs, Binance, and Cristiano Ronaldo?
To know more, continue watching this video.
In addition, a Hispanic retailer is installing Shiba Inu ATMs. Just how fantastic can it get? Then what? We bring you the scoop on an upcoming collaboration between Switcher and Shiba Inu. Ready to go? Let's delve in then. Hi guys.
This is Crypto Mind, your favorite crypto news plug.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button in order to get breaking news.
You can also send us an email, using the email address on your screen, if you need our services for creating adverts and business proposals. Shiba Inu and Bitcoin ATMs installed in 59 Latino grocery stores in the US.
Shiba Inu and Bitcoin ATMs will soon be installed on the store's property owned by America's largest Hispanic supermarket chain, Cardenas Markets. Cardenas Markets has 59 locations spread across big states like Arizona, Nevada, and California.
The leading Hispanic grocery shop and CoinCloud, AUOS, supplier of digital currency machines and cryptocurrency ATMs, have teamed. Through its 59 locations, clients will soon be able to purchase and trade cryptocurrencies for cash.
Customers will soon have access to 40 different cryptocurrencies thanks to CoinCloud's installation of the crypto ATMs at Cardenas Markets.
Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Litecoin, and Shiba Inu are just a few of the cryptocurrencies available today.
The first cryptocurrency ATM will be set up in the Las Vegas location of Cardenas Markets. The remaining ATMs will gradually be placed in their other 58 shops. Customers could buy and trade cryptocurrencies at the Las Vegas store using cash, according to Chris McAlery, CEO of CoinCloud, one of the biggest supermarket chains in the nation catering the Hispanic population. The ability to purchase and sell digital currencies with cash is now available in Cardenas Markets locations. It's starting right here in Las Vegas, our hometown, he declared in a press release. As more merchants throughout the world accept Shiba Inu as money, it is undergoing broad adoption. The Hispanic population is embracing the new financial technology and expressing a rising interest in cryptocurrencies.
According to a recent survey, Hispanic American individuals are embracing cryptocurrencies at a rate higher than that of other American adults.
Businesses are opening up to take cryptocurrencies as payment in nations like Venezuela and Mexico. The go-to payment in all of Latin America is SHIB and Dogecoin. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification button in order to get breaking news.
You can also send us an email, using the email address on your screen, if you need our services for creating adverts and business proposals.
Now let's talk about the big one. Cristiano Ronaldo, CR7, scores NFT partnership with Binance. Popular football legend Cristiano Ronaldo has joined the NFT chorus. On June 23, the premier cryptocurrency exchange Binance revealed an exclusive multi-year NFT relationship with the Portuguese footballer. As a result, later this year, CR7's inaugural NFT collection will be accessible on the Binance NFT platform. Binance will embark on a football NFT journey with Cristiano Ronaldo, according to a statement made on Thursday.
It is stated that both parties will produce a number of NFT collections for sale during the cooperation period.
The Cristiano Ronaldo NFT collections, on the other hand, will only be offered on the Binance NFT platform. With football legend Cristiano Ronaldo, we are beginning an exclusive multi-year relationship with NFT.
This is your chance to purchase a famous piece of sporting history and become a part of the CR7 Web3 community, tweeted Binance.
Notably, the collaboration heralds the launch of Cristiano Ronaldo's Web3 neighborhood.
Binance therefore plans to start a global promotion aimed at providing Web3 and NFTs in a straightforward manner to Cristiano Ronaldo's admirers and, by extension, the entire football community. The football idol will also release various NFT collections on the Binance NFT platform as part of the exclusive relationship, it has been agreed.
As a result, football enthusiasts and supporters will be able to possess digital mementos of memorable football moments. The first NFT collection will be made available later this year, the update states. Designs created in partnership with the legendary football star will be included in the Cristiano Ronaldo CR7 collection. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button in order to get breaking news.
You can also send us an email, using the email address on your screen, if you need our services for creating adverts and business proposals.
And now our final flourish. Switcher Exchange and Shiba Inu Army likely working on a big surprise.
The Shiba Inu community on Twitter and Switcher, the Estonian cryptocurrency exchange, get along nicely. It's possible that both parties may soon enter into a significant cooperation. Late in May 2022, Milkshakes tweeted to the SHIB Army about a meeting with the Switcher cryptocurrency exchange, where the SHIB token ecosystem will be the main topic of discussion. After the Estonian cryptocurrency exchange signed a partnership agreement with NOW Payments to give another use case for SHIB token, this planned conversation was born. Shiba Inu is aggressively promoted on Twitter by Milkshakes, who is also committed to provide SHIB holders with the most recent information on events pertaining to the meme coin. According to another rumor, Milkshakes is a growing member of the Shiba Inu community. Following a successful conversation with Switcher, Milkshakes informed the SHIB army in early June 2022 that the crypto exchange hoped to help the Shiba Inu project. Naturally, one of the vibrant villages in the area welcomed this upgrade with enthusiasm. On this particular day, winks emojis were used in a not-so-explicit Twitter conversation between Switcher Exchange and Milkshares. Their responses, however, are being seen and understood by the community as a call to end the dialogue between the two parties. A few signs suggest that the Shiba Inu token may be listed on the Switcher cryptocurrency exchange or that the memecoin may get some sort of burning feature. It is safe to assume that a potential cooperation or collaboration between these two parties could be just around the corner. That's it for now. If you have any business proposal, kindly send us a message via our official email in the description of this video. Disclaimer: please keep in mind that this isn't financial advice. We take no responsibility for any loss or damage caused by your actions or inactions as a result of watching any of our videos. You acknowledge that you use the information we provide at your own risk. Quick reminder: if investing in any cryptocurrency seems like an interesting idea to you, the easiest and safest way to buy any cryptocurrency regardless of any country you reside in is to buy from the Binance platform. There are other places where you can buy cryptocurrency, but this platform is the best and cheapest as far as cryptocurrency is concerned. Kindly use the link in the description of this video to buy and start trading. Also, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and notification bell down below, so you get to know whenever we post similar videos like this. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.